What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Outlaw Trucks TV. Today, we're putting an air compressor on the Clifford, using the air compressor on Clifford, if that makes sense. So as all y'all know, Clifford has air ride, right? Well, it's running off of electric compressor in here, but the motor has the compressor on it. So we're hooking it up right here. Going to mount this tank to the back of the truck so we got air at the shop. Why buy air compressor when I got air compressor right here? 6-cylinder Cummins, 12 valve. So let's get up here and get to work. Okay, y'all, I got the line ran here. I'm gonna tuck it up in here, get it away from everything, and get it back behind all this crap. There we go. Then I'll zip tie it up here. Got it ran right here along the truck. We're going to zip tie it to these hoses. And now I've got to hook my air hose up here, run it on back, and up through the bed. So we have to drill a hole in the bed. I'll actually probably drill a hole in the back of the sleeper back there. So let's get the bed cleaned off and get this tank on. Whole bunch of crap to move here. Now got oil up. Don't start no fires. Well, let's get the tank moved up here. Carefully. Oh, wrong way, John. That's where the tank's going to sit. We're going to turn that inlet around, go through the bed, and go through the bed over here, come up the air line, hook it up. Get our air hose hook here, and we still got something to hang the air hose on. What we're going to do is leave the wheels on so it's still level, and of course I'll paint it. But we're going to weld it to the bed right there. That'll hold it. Because like I say, the compressor's up there in front of the truck, this is just a tank. So, let's get the welder broke out. Alright guys, we got the welder out here. Already got the hose ran up to here. Say y'all up here. Gonna hook it up. Now keep in mind, all this is gonna be zip tied up out of the way. Oh, I've got to tighten that fitting right there. Doggone it. I didn't even want to come off the hose. good tight fit. I reckon I'm going to have to cut it. That ought to come off. There we go. Let me get a wrench to tighten this fitting right here. And by wrench, I mean channel locks. Gonna try to eliminate any air leaks. Oh, that's tight. Alright, let's get our clamp. Put on our hose, face it out. And get our hose connected to our barred fitting. Here we go. That's simple. Now tighten the crap out of it. Okay. Now we'll go to the back. What I did was run it between the cab and the bed there. Still got plenty of room. And we're gonna just hook it in right there. So let me try to get y'all set up so y'all can see me. Alright y'all. Air line's hooked up. Generator running. Welder hooked up. We're gonna clean this area right here. I went ahead and moved it over the tank instead of being in the middle of the truck, hanging the hose right here on the outside. And I still got room bust up over there. I could have brought it on over, but I didn't want this hanging over, and I really want something to hang my hose on, and that'll work. So let's get to welding this thing. Get y'all set up back here where y'all can actually see. Yeah, y'all can see right there, maybe. There we go. Straight to paint. And turn the welder on. That might help too. Okay, y'all. Take number 2, the generators wasn't big enough. See, I'll show you all the things that don't work and the things that work. Let me wipe y'all off a little bit right here. That might be a little better. Still got a glare to it. I don't know. I'm probably wiping more grease on it than what was on it. I'm gonna get y'all set up. We're gonna weld this thing. As I turn the welder on, that is. I get hooked up to some electricity. Alrighty. Guess I need to get the hose out of the way now. Hose leaking up there a little bit, but it'll be alright. We're gonna change that hose out. Oh yeah, now we got some juice. Yeah, doggone it. Out of the way, hose. Take this here. And just so y'all know, I done built up about 50 pounds of pressure from driving from the shop to here, and all I did is fire the truck up, put it in gear, and come here, and it's about a half mile from the shop to the house. So let's get to welding. Right, we're kinked. Oh, there we go. What in the world? Let's turn our wires pretty good. Oh, we ain't out of wire. Always something, guys. Alright, let's try this again. Turn wire speed down a little bit. Go ahead and crank the juice up a little bit there too. Ain't no tip on this welder. But today we gotta work with what we got. There we go. Side over here a little bit. Got a fire. That's solid, guys. Solid as a rock. Alright, now we have air on the truck, on Clifford. And just in case y'all wondering, yeah, it's a small tank or whatever. But I actually had it hooked up front of the truck. Just setting it up, see if it's going to work out alright before I did all this. And I actually ran the paint gun off of it all the way around the truck, one coat, and still have 50 pounds of air in the tank with the truck running. So it's going to pump plenty of air. I might do a little more welding there. I might want to tie it down back there some way. But it'll be alright. So, there y'all go. So you make a 12 valve Cummins air compressor. Where you shop? Shop air. I got $13 in fittings to put this together. Had the old tank and stuff laying around and everything. Old hose, I'm gonna change it out though, put a better hose on it. But there it is. See y'all next time, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. See y'all later. Shop air.